The guardian of the world tree. Once upon a time in the mystical realm of Asgard, home to the Norse gods, there lived a young girl named Freya. Freya was known for her fierce courage and her deep connection to nature. She spent her days exploring the ancient forests and learning about the magical creatures that lived within them. One fateful evening, while wandering near the base of Yggdrasil, the great world tree, Freya discovered a mysterious, glowing acorn lying on the ground. As she picked it up, the acorn began to shine even brighter, and a wise, ancient voice echoed through the forest. "Greetings, Freya," the voice said. "I am Yggdrasil, the world tree. This is my enchanted acorn, which holds the power to protect and nurture all life, but its magic has faded. Will you help restore its power?" Filled with excitement and determination, Freya nodded eagerly. "Yes, Yggdrasil. What must I do?" Yggdrasil appeared as a towering, radiant figure with branches that stretched to the heavens and roots that delved into the deepest realms. To restore the acorn's magic, you must find 3 enchanted items: the leaf of vitality, the dew of growth, and the root of strength. Each item represents a different aspect of the acorn's power. With a nod of understanding, Freya set off on her quest. Her first destination was the Meadow of Life, a vibrant field where the grass was always green and flowers bloomed year-round. In the heart of the meadow, she found the leaf of vitality, a brilliant green leaf that glowed with a life-giving light. She carefully placed it in her bag and continued her journey. Next, Freya ventured to the Crystal Falls, a magnificent waterfall where the water sparkled like diamonds. At the base of the falls, she discovered the dew of growth, a vial of shimmering liquid that glowed with the power of growth and renewal. She added it to her bag and made her way to her final destination. For her last task, Freya traveled to the Mountain of Endurance, a towering peak that tested the strength and will of all who climbed it. At the summit, she found the root of strength, a sturdy root that pulsed with a warm, powerful light. She gently picked the root and returned to the base of Yggdrasil. Upon her return, Yggdrasil greeted her with a look of pride. "You have done well, Freya. Place the enchanted items around the acorn, and its magic will be restored." Freya carefully arranged the leaf of vitality, the dew of growth, and the root of strength around the enchanted acorn. As she did, the acorn began to glow brightly, and the forest was filled with a warm, radiant light. The ground beneath her hummed with energy, and the magic of the acorn was restored. "Thank you, Freya," Yggdrasil said, its voice filled with gratitude. "You have restored the power of my enchanted acorn. Its magic will now protect and nurture all life in the realms." Freya felt a warm glow of pride and happiness. Yggdrasil gifted her a small, golden pendant shaped like an acorn as a token of gratitude and a reminder of her adventure. When Freya returned to her village, she was celebrated for her bravery and wisdom. She often visited Yggdrasil, where she was always welcomed by the magical creatures of the forest. Her story was told for generations, inspiring others to believe in the power of nature and the magic of a pure heart. And so, the guardian of the world tree became a beloved legend, a testament to the courage and determination of a young girl who restored the magic of the Norse gods. The end.